Tired of repetitive setups? Let's build a complete Django admin panel with PostgreSQL in under 2 minutes. I'm not writing code. I'm just telling the AI exactly what I want. A full Django project with a product model connected to PostgreSQL and a step-by-step guide to build it. Instantly, Workik AI generates the entire workflow, a complete error-free roadmap from setup to deployment. Time to build. First, I'll create and activate the virtual environment. Just copy the command. No typing needed. Next, we install the dependencies, Django and the PostgreSQL adapter. Another quick copy-paste, and the environment is ready. With the project started, we'll set up the database. Workik provides the exact SQL commands. Switching to my database tool, I'll run the SQL provided by the AI. This creates the database and user roles perfectly. Now for the crucial connection. Workik provides the exact database settings for Django. I'll just replace the default configuration in settings, and the connection is live. Let's create our application. We'll run start app and then register it in installed apps so the project can see it. Now for our data model. I'll paste the product model into models.py. Then, to make it appear in the admin, a simple registration in admin.py is all it takes. Time to sync our database. Make migrations prepares the changes and migrate applies them. Finally, we'll create a super user to log into the admin panel. And the final step, run the development server. We'll open the browser, head to the admin URL, and log in with our new credentials. And there it is, a fully functional Django admin panel connected to PostgreSQL built in minutes. Stop wrestling with boilerplate. Start building what matters. Try Workik AI today.